Hey y'all, we're down here at Mountain Creek Park today. Beautiful park. I don't know if you can see it behind me. I'm gonna turn it around. The lake is very, very low down there today. Aaron and Ellie got into the water or got in the mud up to their knees. It's pretty gross if you ask me. It's very bright out here. Kind of chilly. I'm gonna turn y'all back around. Y'all can see they have a canoe drop right there where you can put your canoe in. That's what they were down earlier. But the water's really down. I'll take y'all over there real quick. Walk down this little tiny bridge. That way y'all can see where they were. Turn you around. There's Aaron and Ellie down there, if y'all can see them. And then it's really pretty. Water's just really, really super low. There's a fishing pier over there. But like I said, the water's really low. I did see some fish down there swimming around. They wasn't very big. But very nice, very peaceful out here. I had my book out here earlier reading. We went to church this morning. And then they wanted to go to the park. So we just drove by here. It's a short distance from our house. So we came down here to enjoy the outdoors for a little bit this morning. All right, well, I'm going to get off of here. This is Mountain Creek Park with some low water. All right, see y'all next time. Bye-bye.